to say you create the heart, and I'm back with my Not Too Shabby shop box of the month. Last month I was very late posting that video. It might actually be at the same time this video is posted. I got the junior box. I did actually like everything in that box, and you'll see that in the add-ons that I got in this box. I just wanted a little bit less ephemera because the ephemera is killing me, to be honest. But anyway, this has got my box of the month for February, as well as the items that I added on for this. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I've got my little add-on pieces, which I'm going to put on the side here, and we'll talk about the box. So we get this note from, this little thing from Jamie, and then on the back there's just a little note as well as a exclusive coupon code for 15% off. So that's on there. I'm going to actually put it over here so in case I need to use that code again. And then you get all the little things that tell you about the box. So, you can get to the Instagram, the YouTube channel membership, which I am a member of, so that you get some exclusive videos throughout the month, including a video preview of the box or a little sneak peek before everyone else, if I like that. And so just some links to some other things that you could do with Jamie and the Not Too Shabby shop. Okay, so now we're going to get into it. So, comes like this, right? Comes like this. So, you open it all up, and here it is. So I really loved this, and I love the style of the items, the stamp sets and everything that were in it. It's just really kind of me. So let me figure out how to open this. Oh, here it is. I'm like, where's the opening? So it's a true unboxing video. Get all the goodies. Okay. So generally speaking, you get 3 stamp sets, 2 paper pads, and 2 ephemera. Okay, so let's so you also get a little goodie bag. It usually has like a sucker in it, and maybe some enamel dots. So that's a little goodie that you get. And so here is the paper, Sweet Little Bird. And so I really like this. It's very spring, which is crazy because I'm making this video and it is, I live in Southern California. So it's just this crazy, we're supposed to have this crazy rain today. And so Sunday and I'm at home and it doesn't feel like spring, but it's got really great colors. I do like the B-sides. So, you've got the patterns and then you've got the other sides that are more neutral that you can use for lots of different things. And so this is Sweet Little Bird, and I thought that was cute. I do like birds. We used to have a bird actually growing up. We had a little cockatiel for years. We had 2 of them actually. We had one for 7 years, and then we had another one for like almost 15 years, like a long time. So here is the ephemera, and what I liked about this ephemera with this particular one is you could do some scenes. So you can add these little trees and these little bits to other projects that you've got, going on in your collection. So like the sun and the little birds. So like if you were doing like a little scene, you could use this, mix and match your stuff. So I had been doing as much of that because I was on the design team, which I'm not on the design team anymore. So, but I feel very close to Not Too Shabby, and so they gave me a chance to let me be on their team, and so I'm still going to probably do maybe the occasional blog hop if they, or the YouTube hop or whatever it is, if they invite me, and I'm still buying their products, so I did pay for all of this. But One of the things I do like to do is to mix and match my products, right? Mix and match from different companies or different collections. So it's just a really great way of expanding and using what you have. So the other paper is Tweet. And this one is also a lot of pastel spring. I think they go really well together, actually. So this one has some ginghams and dots, but there is a similar feel to this paper. So I think it kind of complements this other one very nicely. And then the ephemera is, I think, very complimentary as well. So lots of hearts and flowers and little bits and pieces that I haven't really had a chance to go through yet. But also this could be, you know, kind of used in scenes as well. So there's that. And then now the stamp sets. So the stamp sets I just really, really liked. So here's this one right here, which is So Tweet. And it's adorable. It's a flower, I think. Just really, really cute little bird. And I love a little house. And I love the sayings in here, the sentiments. It's very cute. And then we have this rainbow, which I have a lot of rainbow, but you can't ever have too many rainbows. So this is kind of fun, and different sizes are nice. And I really, really love this. And Jamie showed this little note thing. And, you know, I didn't buy it yet, but I am going to get it. So We Are Memory Keepers has their new thermal heat cinch, they're calling it. And I'm just thinking it would be really nice to be able to use one of those little glues and doing a notepad like that. She showed it where she stapled it, which is cool, but I do like the idea of being able to do that. I mean, there's other ways you could do it too. You can use glue to glue it down, so I might try some other ways. But she uses this as a little notepad. I thought it was cute. I think it would make an adorable bookmark. So very cute. So let's go into, oh, also the free gift, which was this. And so what did I buy? Okay, so first of all, I did get the coordinating dies to this. So this goes with the rainbow. And this one goes with the little birdie stamp set. And then this one goes with that rainbow note. So I did get that. And then I really did love, I wasn't a huge fan of the ephemera. Maybe I just have so much ephemera that I'm just kind of like, oh. But I did love these little guys. These are fairies. They have a very Tinkerbell feel, and I just think that's adorable, and I really like the sentiments. And I did get the matching die. And then this is I went ahead and broke down and got this, which is the paper. So I have a lot of paper. Dang, I have a lot of paper. But I did like this because it's very much one that you could use for everything. It's kind of like a basic one, and it kind of also goes with all the spring pastels. So this is my box. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Creating the Heart.